In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you another good project that I will recommend if you are pretty much a risk taker and you want to make some really good amount of money into this platform, and it is called Cryptoegg.xyz. So currently you can earn up to 10% daily. And before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so do not forget to use my link. I'm also going to put it into the description box below so that you can join into this wonderful project. Okay, so this project is you can earn up to 10% daily with more than 3,330% APR. And what you just need to do here is just buy some miners here, and you can start for as low as 0.1. Okay, so in my case I started for at around 0.3. So into my if you're looking at this part right here, you can see that I'm making around almost 7%, okay, 7 to 8% daily into this Cryptoegg game. So what you just need to do is just buy these miners over here, or maybe you can invest some of your BNB to buy more miners so that you can even make more BNB in your case. So that's how easy it is. So I also had a what do you call that? I also had a talk with the developer, and he said that he is actually working out on the roadmap, on the white paper on this project. But right now, this is like the alpha phase, I could say. And while there's really small BNB here, and also it is still early, probably you can buy right now. But of course, like what I'm saying into a lot of videos, do only invest what you can afford to lose, and also do your own research. Okay, so this one is verified contract. So you can just click it right away here, and you can see here into the contract section that it is verified. Contract source code is verified. Contract name is Cryptoegg Game, and it is perfectly working in my case as well. So I actually withdrawed my 10% right now, so I'm on my way to getting like the other 9 days for me to get the ROI. And of course, after that, I'm just going to make more money via BNB miner. So if you are curious about this game, you do not need to put a lot of effort. Okay, so you're just going to buy some miners, and then you will get a BNB, which in turn you can withdraw anytime, anywhere, and that's how easy it is. Okay, so you go back after 24 hours. You can withdraw your BNB. You're just going to pay some small gas fees, which is around $0.20 and 0.20. So after that, you're just going to continue it, and you're going to make more money. And money is more like a passive income for me as well. So that's how easy it is for you to make money in Cryptoegg. Do not forget to join their Telegram group. Okay, so this is the Telegram group. So they do have a 263. They do have 263 members right now, so it is still early. And they also released a Cryptoegg 2.0 farm, which of course going to have pretty much more use case and more game modes inside the platform, and you will be able to try this one. And I will also what do you call that, explain this into the future videos to come if I will have a time. But first of all, I think you should take advantage of this project while it is still early, and also just invest what you can afford to lose again. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.